Back again to another video. So today we're going to do a simple demonstration to show you guys just how we can capture network traffic using Wireshark and then sniff that traffic or data for login credentials. So in my Parrot Linux, I'm going to open my terminal. So if you're using Windows, you can go to wireshark.org and download Wireshark. If you're using Parrot like me here, or Kali Linux, or any other ethical hacking distribution, Wireshark is already installed. So let's do sudo Wireshark to open Wireshark. There it is, Wireshark. Now you can have many interfaces. I am connected to my Wi-Fi network using my wireless adapter. You might be running this in a virtual box, so make sure to select the correct network adapter that you are using. So Wireshark is already capturing. We'll open my wireless adapter, and then I will open we can see already some network traffic going on here. Let's go to my browser, and then we will do HTTP login. This is just to show you how HTTP is insecure. Now if we go to this vulnerable site and then log in with our credentials, we should be able to capture this traffic in Wireshark. Let's do test, and then the password will be let's say password test, and then login, then save. Now let's go back to our Wireshark. We'll stop this capture, and then we are going to filter this traffic looking specifically for HTTP or web traffic. We'll do HTTP and then enter. Now what we are going to look inside HTTP traffic is for post data. That means information that has been post or put in a login page. And if you go to info here, you can see the different types. We have get, and we have a post here. So just go to post, and then just click here on HTML form URL encoded application blah blah blah. Under the HTML form, you can see the uname and the password as test and password test. So this is just to show you just how vulnerable these protocols are. Telnet, FTP, all these protocols are very, very insecure. So if you are using HTTP in your website, just make sure that you upgrade to HTTPS, and always use encryption whenever possible.